saw more new contracts this past week than last year this same time, and days until a contract fell to 33 days. It's Friday, February 28th, 2025. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty. This is the weekly Maryland Eastern Shore Report. There are 1,633 homes listed for sale, which is a rise from last year this same time. 133 homes are coming soon. 176 homes went under contract in 25 days. 99 homes settled at 97.3% list to sold ratio, with days on the market falling to 32 days this report. Homes for lease fell to 118, remaining at $2,000 per month. That's your weekly wrap for the Maryland Eastern Shore Report for Friday, February 28th, 2025. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. Stay safe, and I'll see you next Friday. Take care.